Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing these Type C to Type C Fast Charge Pro cables. So let's go ahead and open up the box for y'all. Oh, check these out, my friends. Wow. I love that black braided line. I know the camera can't pick it up that well. But wow, that is really nice. You can see it a little better up against the white, but the camera still doesn't do justice on how nice the line is. So I'm someone that actually really cares about how a product looks and performs. They have this nice little strap here, wire holder, and as you can see, you get plenty of length. You know, you're not going to have any problem extending it. It is very thick line. Everything is made really nice. So far, I love the design. It's 100 watt fast charge, and there's going to be an indicator light right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our little charger port here. We're going to plug this in. And now we're going to go ahead and connect our cell phone. And right now, as you guys can see, there's a green light on it showing it's charging. And you guys could hear it as well. So that means it's charging. So yeah, this is a Type C to Type C. So you're going to want an adapter. If you don't have an adapter, then you can plug this into any other Type C port. So a power bank or any other Type C port that you guys can find. Or just get an adapter and plug it into the wall. This is a 2-pack. I'm extremely impressed with this. I love products that look nice, that have indicator lights. We're going to go ahead and test out how long it takes to charge. It says from 47% rapid. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually says rapid charge on my phone. 47% to full in 1 hour. So guys, as you can see, fast charge from 47% to full in an hour. And I bet you it would probably be only 45 minutes. Normally it's a lot faster than what it says. But yeah, you guys could see. That means on a dead battery, a 2-hour charge, that's all it would take. Again, I would argue that probably in an hour to 25 minutes, it would actually charge a dead battery. Because normally, once the charge gets going, it charges faster. But yeah, great pack. Absolutely love them.